All right, this is the Uineer wireless vertical ergonomic mouse. Came packaged great, arrived in a nice looking box, safe. Inside the box we have the mouse itself in black, a Type-C charging cable. It's roughly 2 foot long. We have the USB-A receiver. It's stored neatly on the bottom of the mouse. And when you first get this, there's a little piece of tape over this and little pieces of tape over the mouse pads that you're going to want to remove. And we have a quick guide. We've all done this several times. It's really easy to install. So this mouse is for the right hand. The first thing you're going to notice is the vertical shape. It's designed with a 59-degree ergonomic angle that keeps your hand in a more natural handshake position. When you're shaking hands, somebody's doing this, somebody's doing this. This is my first time using a vertical mouse like this, but they say that the design may help a little with wrist discomfort during extended use. I typically use a trackball mouse. Going from this to this actually doesn't feel so bad at all. And my favorite thing about the mouse is that it's rechargeable via the Type-C port right here in the front. You can see the charge status right here on the side. And you can use the mouse while it's plugged in and charging, which I really like. Super convenient and more eco-friendly than replacing batteries. To get started, you just take the USB-A receiver out of the bottom, plug it in. It's plug and play. There's no drivers needed at all. It uses 2.4 gig wireless for stable connection up to about 10 meters. Or you can use it via the Bluetooth connection on your device, and I'll show myself using it over here. Really super easy. There's 3 buttons right here. The first one's the 2.4 gig. You got Bluetooth 4 and Bluetooth 5. When you turn it on, you can see right now I'm in Bluetooth 5, and it cycles through 2.4, Bluetooth 4, and Bluetooth 5. I got it connected via Bluetooth 4 right now. The mouse supports dual mode connectivity with Bluetooth, so you can pair it seamlessly across multiple devices like a laptop, desktop, or a tablet for a smoother workflow without switching receivers constantly. Overall, there are 6 total buttons. We have a left click, a right click, a scroll wheel that you can hold down for quick scrolling. We have a forward switch and a back switch. We have a DPI switch and the power switch right here on the bottom. As far as the DPI levels go, we have 800, 1200, 1600, and 2400. You can cycle through them with the DPI button right here on the side to match your needs, whether you're doing precise editing at lower settings or faster movements at higher ones. It tracks well on all kinds of surfaces. Right now I'm on wood. Tracks well on paper, on my couch back here. So there you go. If you're considering switching to a vertical mouse for wrist comfort, this is one you can check out. Something like this might be great for office work, studying, or light gaming if that's your thing. Very nice.